Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for monthly budgeting. First, create a dedicated Notion page to serve as your central budget dashboard. Next, establish a database to meticulously record all your income streams, ensuring you capture every dollar received. Then, design a separate, robust database specifically for tracking every single expense, categorizing each transaction for clarity. This foundational setup is crucial for effective financial management. Once your databases are ready, consistently input all income and expenses as they occur. This real-time tracking prevents oversight and keeps your budget accurate. Make sure to categorize each transaction, perhaps using tags like groceries, utilities, or entertainment, for clear analysis later. Leverage Notion's powerful properties to add dates, amounts, and even payment methods, giving you a comprehensive overview of your financial flow. Regularly review your spending patterns against your set budget goals. Notion's filter and sort functions can help you quickly see where your money is going. Identify areas where you might be overspending and look for opportunities to save, perhaps by cutting back on 1/4 of your dining out expenses. Don't hesitate to adjust your budget categories or allocations as your financial situation evolves, ensuring your plan remains realistic and effective. For advanced budgeting, consider automating recurring expenses within Notion to save time and ensure consistency. You can also create a separate savings tracker to monitor your progress towards financial goals, like saving for a down payment or a vacation. Remember to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof containers that make meal prep easy, as well as other helpful deals. Utilizing these tips will elevate your Notion budgeting experience and help you achieve greater financial control.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.